Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel India Gate. This is Nani Sharma. In this session of tricks and logic based on the 9 type of propositional logic. So let's start. Tautology, valid proposition and unfalsifiable proposition. So in the case of all three proposition, it contains only true in the last column of its truth table. So we say that it contains only true value last column of its truth table. Now come on, next two proposition like invalid and falsifiable proposition. So in this case it contains either only false or both, means truth and false in the last column of truth table. So we say that in short, this two proposition contains only false and also true and false. Contradiction and unfalsifiable proposition logic. So it contains only false in the last column of its truth table. So in short, we say that it contains only false values. Now move on. Next proposition is your satisfiable. The satisfiable proposition is either only true or both true and false in the last column of truth table. Now move on next to contiguous proposition logic. So contiguous proposition contains both true and false in the last column of truth table. Now move on here. Look the last column of the tautology: contradiction, contiguous, invalid and satisfiable logic proposition. Here some important points based on the all the propositions. So first one is say all the contradictions are invalid and falsifiable but not vice versa. Means contradiction is subset of invalid and falsifiable but not vice versa, because contradiction contains only false value at the last column of the truth table. Now move on next point. All the contiguous are invalid and falsifiable but not vice versa. Yes, because we say that contiguous is the subset of the invalid and falsifiable, because invalid is also contain only false values as well as true and false. So this point is come to the next point. All contradictions are unfalsifiable and vice versa. Yes, because both are contains the false values at the last column of the truth table. Now comes to the next question. Contiguous are satisfiable but not vice versa. Yes, because here contiguous contains at the last column of the truth table only true and false both, but here satisfiable either contains true or true and false. Now comes to the Venn diagram. So here all type of Venn diagram based on the above points. Now comes to the determine the nature of following propositions. Here proposition is given as P and not P. So firstly we draw a truth table basis on given proposition. So when we draw the truth table, here value of P is may be true or false, and the negation of P is just opposite of the true or vice versa. So we got that after the AND the operation, we got false false at the last column of the table. So we say that this is your contradiction, invalid, falsifiable and unsatisfiable proposition. For clarification of all type of logical operator like your biconditional, conditional, so you have to see all my previous lectures where I discussed the all type of the logical operators as well as truth table. So I provide the link on my description, so you have to see all lectures from there. Now move on discussion, which is given the proposition logic like this. So we firstly start with drawing the truth table, then we state what type of proposition is it. So firstly, when we come to the decide the value of P and Q, first false true, false true, false true, false false, true true. Now when the value of P and Q is false, and here come to the negation of Q. So negation of Q represent like just opposite of false and true. So here false is represent as true, true is represent as false. Now basis of the value of P and Q, we draw the table column for P implies Q. It is also called P if then Q. So as the truth table of the conditional, we say when the value of P and Q is false false, it gives true value. When the value of P and Q is false and true, it also gives the true. When the value of P is true and value of Q is false, then it produces false. Otherwise any condition it produce true value. So we got this condition. After merging these two expression, we got this. So and with value of P and P implies Q, we got this column. Here the value of P is false and value of P implies Q is true. Then AND operation always provide true when both values are true. True, else false. So here P is false and P implies Q is false, so it produces false. Now come to the value of P is false and this is also true, so it is also provide false. And after here P is true and P implies Q is false, so this case it also provide false values. Now we move on last value. Here P value is true and P implies Q is also true, so it provide true value. So after the true expression, we got that after the P and this expression implies to not Q. So we got that after applying the operation this and this implications or by conditional statement, so we got the whole expression like Q false true false true. So we say that clearly last column of the truth table contains both true and false. We say that this is your 4 types of proposition. contagious, invalid, falsifiable, and satisfying. And here I hope you understand all the points and logics as well as tricks with example. If you watch my video first time, so please subscribe my YouTube channel India Gate and press the bell icon for all notification of my all new videos. Hit like button and share all my videos. Thank you. Have a nice day.